Yeah, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you five hottest high demand Fiverr gigs for 2023. So if you are watching this video right now, you need to take note of these five gigs because you can actually create them. Maybe you don't have a skill, you are exploring, and it can help you to make money in 2023 if you take them seriously. So the first gig is sorry sorry, before I go straight to the first gig, comment Fiverr right now. This actually helps the video to go to the right persons and helps this video to reach more persons. So the first gig is TikTok video creation or short video creation. So basically, what you are doing in this kind of gig is you help businesses, brands to create short video, like 30 seconds video for their brand or for their products, and they pay you for this. So if you are a TikToker right now, maybe or you love TikTok, you have been doing this thing for fun, you go to TikTok, you are very beautiful or handsome, you just post random videos and you are not getting paid for it. I'm letting you know right now that you can actually get paid for creating short videos that are professional for businesses. If in case so the second gig for 2023 hot gig is video intro and outro. As you know, it's related to number one. The same way people are having high demand for videos, everyone want to create video content. It's important that you know that there will be an intro or outro depending on the kind of video the person is creating. So far video content is in demand. This second gig too is also in demand. If I go to Fiverr right now, you are going to see people getting paid for this as well. Skill set to create short intro video like this. So you can also want to consider this. And the third one is video editing. You keep wondering why is everything under video? Like I've said, video will be more demanded in 2023. Like right now, at the time of shooting this video, YouTube have over 1 billion users. YouTube has over 1 billion users. Look at how big that is. So, and in 2023, they are going to have more and more users, more video creators because video is the new game right now. More social media platforms want to compete with TikTok, and TikTok too is not backing down anytime soon. So the competition creates more demand for people, and moreover, video is the most consumed form of content by creators, for by consumers rather. If you look at something right now, you are going to notice something that people no longer read books. People find it very difficult to read books. They find it very difficult to pick call. But 247, they are on social media watching video. They spend hours on Netflix. We consume videos than ever before. That's why videoing is in high demand. So this third gig idea will work perfectly for you. If you can edit videos, you can do video editing. You can help people who create short video, who are short video creators. You can actually help them to edit their short videos, which means you can just pick your target audience to be TikTok influencers and pitch to them even without Fiverr. You can easily say your target audience are YouTubers and pitch to them because every video creator will need someone to help them edit those videos. So you should also consider this as well. And the fourth gig idea, high demand for 2023 is website design and other tech related skill. So I don't even have to explain this. Website design is always needed. It's always needed because businesses need to showcase their brand, showcase their self on the internet. So it's very important that when people search for you, they can find you. When people want to know more about you, they can go to a particular web to know about you. And that is what website is first. When people want to buy something or your about your product, there must be a place where they go to purchase, even when you are offline. And this is what website design stands for. So I said with other related tech skill because we have WordPress, we have coding, we have Python, we have HTML, we have JSS that can even help you to build a website. So, and that's it. So let's say you want to go for only website design. WordPress is a big space. More than 50% of websites built in the universe are built with WordPress. So if you stick with only WordPress, it's more than enough for you. So and lastly, direct response marketing skills. If you have skills like copywriting, skills like email marketing, skills like traffic generation, Facebook ads, they are high demand skills. So you should consider any of these. But in case you are new to the online space, you don't have a skill set yet, I'm going to attach link in the comment section or in the video description. The links that will be there will be to learn any of this skill. Maybe you want to learn TikTok video creation, or you want to learn video intro, video editing, web design, or probably any related marketing skill. I will attach the link there because it's very important that you know that you learn a skill first in the online space. I don't really want you to rely on outsourcing. I want you to be able to have something that you can defend for yourself. And that's how I built myself. I think that sounds amazing. So, and that's it. But before you leave, do not forget to show some love by subscribing to this channel.